Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to another episode of Driving in Lagos. Today we are currently at Ifako Bridge, Ifako Gbagada. That's coming from Oro. So we are going to the Murtala Muhammed International Airport in Lagos. Welcome to this driving session. As we see Lagos today, currently we are already diverting to Gbagada Expressway. This is Gbagada. We're heading towards Anthony right now. It's a free day. It's a flowing traffic. No traffic, no hold up, no nothing. The road is free today. As we can see, we're going to be going through Maryland and through Mobolaji Bank Anthony Way. This is Anthony. For those of us that know Anthony Village, this is Anthony. Right now we are in Ikorodu Road, heading towards Maryland before we take our left to Mobolaji Bank Anthony and head straight to the airport. We are going to MM1. By your right here is Popo Mall. That's Maryland Mall, or former Maryland Mall. It's now called Popo Mall, Maryland. So at the traffic light here, we'll be taking our left to begin our ride at Mobolaji Bank Anthony Way, which will take us straight to the airport. We are heading to MM1. That's a local airport, MM1. So this is Ikeja. All this place is Ikeja. A very busy place, round the clock. Even if you come here at night, it's still very busy. You know, they say Lagos doesn't sleep. It's not actually everywhere in Lagos, but most places in Lagos, inside town, especially here in Ikeja, which is the capital of Lagos, it doesn't sleep at all. If I was going to Cubana, I would have taken my left here, just at this traffic lights we just passed. As we have the Cubana Lounge. We also have Prince Ebano in that same corner. You can also pass there to go to Ikeja GRA. It's very close by there. So right now we are heading to Ikeja, towards where we have the Jara Mall. We'll be crossing the bridge. This bridge, if we had gone under the bridge and gone right, we'll head to Computer Village. For those of us that know Lagos very well. But my right here, where that blue BRT bus just came out from, is where we have the Jara Mall. This is the Red Line train station. We just passed it on my right as well. So right now we're heading to the airport. I need to the airport MM1. So we just head straight down instead of going left. So when you go left, you're going to MM2, which is also the local airport. For those of us that use United Airline, those of us that use Nigerian Airways, Ibom Air, most times the takeoff points or the departure points is mostly from MM2. MM1 is where you find Arik Air, Air Peace, and some other very recommendable airlines. So right now we're at the traffic light just in front of MM1. So yeah, we're already at the airport. This is MM1. But I'm not going to MM1 today. We're going to, I don't want to call the name of the airline, just after Aero Air. It's a private airline, actually. So for those of you who fly private, you might know where I just entered. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed the ride. Have fun, keep driving safe, keep driving better. Stay safe out there, obey traffic laws. Don't forget to obey traffic laws, very important. All right, I'll see you in my next episode. Enjoy your day.